Hello. Good morning. So we didn't get to do the sausage yesterday. Probably gonna do it today, later. But we're going to take Odin to the vet to hopefully get rid of that cone that he's wearing and have his stitches remove. It's all dry now. It looks like it's healed good. So hopefully when you see him again, he's not wearing that cone anymore. It's raining.
Come here, Odin, come on. Get in here.
It's raining good. So
Come on.
I will let Midnight in because they are still. She's still here with the pups inside. She's waiting. Come on, baby. She's all wet. Come on, get inside. So she's staying here in the spare room. We leave the fan on. So that's her pups. They already can walk. So cute. This one's the chunky one. Chunky Junior. She's a girl. Yeah, both girl. Yep. That's the one that always whining. Midnight, they're looking for your milk. It's such a cute one. It looks like you're timid, huh? So Midnight is staying here with them. See, she's whining already. You go back to mama. Go back to mama. So we're just waiting for a little. And then we can leave. It's starting to rain again. So I don't know if we can do stuff today because Mark is planning on doing something with the drainage. So even after we put some dirt, there's still some low spot here in the driveways. Like you will see all the water collecting. So that part needs more dirt. So yeah, it's raining good. So we'll get back to you later. Mark started the car and Odin is freaking out because he always wants to go for a ride and he knows that he's coming because he's wearing his harness right now, so he knows that he's not gonna be left in the service area today. That's why he don't know what to do. He's freaking out. What? So here in a few we're leaving to go to the vet in town because they are open at I think 8. We want to get it done as soon as possible because we're so tired of that cone he's wearing. And I know he is too, especially. So we're gonna do that today. It's always a fun time riding in the car with Odin. He's crazy. So this is the situation whenever we are riding in the car with Odin. If it's just the two of us, I want to sit here in the back with him because he's just crazy. He gets too excited over everything he can see on the road.
He loves to ride.
Yeah, he likes the car ride. So yeah, get back, there will no longer con on him.
Well, we're not
So,
going
yeah.
past today.
Yeah. We're here at the vet. So they're gonna take him and I cannot film him there. So unfortunately, Odin still have to wear his collar. Sit down. Odin! But they removed the stitches and that is not fun at all. I know, stop. I don't want you making anything. So we'll go back to the house. Going home. Going to make the sausages now.
We have garlic.
Coriander. Yeah. What else?
We mix. What do you think? Bland.
It's missing something.
Yeah. What's it need?
But I cannot say
Needs more fennel,
more fennel.
more garlic. I think.
The pepper flakes is enough.
Yeah, a little bit of sugar maybe. I think a little more salt actually.
More salt.
Yeah.
I'll have to adjust it. Another one. Let's see. I think this one's better.
I know it's better.
It's good. Italian sausage is gone. We're trying the chorizo now. You know. What's missing? Sugar.
Sugar.
I can
A
taste
little bit
the,
more paprika.
I can taste the paprika already.
Yeah, but a little bit more. And sugar. And I remember we added quite a bit more paprika last time.
Yeah. That'd be enough, 1 tablespoon.
I'll do another one.
How about garlic? Garlic powder.
Yeah, probably a little bit. I don't think the garlic's too terrible.
Next.
That should be pretty good. Yeah, that's good. That's real good.
That's really good. That's good chorizo right there. That sugar really kicked it up. It's not sweet, but it just takes a little bit of that.
So let's put it in the freezer. We need to defrost the freezer because it's starting to collect ice.
Good sauce.
So it's good sausage.
Both of them are good.
So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this vlog. Sausage making in the Philippines. Odin's update. He's still wearing the cone. But his stitches are all removed. It's all gone. But there's some fluid buildup so that they have to drain it a little. And they gave him a new batch of pills. But thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.